The census team will quickly report news on the Middle East war. Officials told the Washington Post that the 82nd Airborne Division abruptly canceled its major training. The 82nd Airborne Division has a brigade combat team consisting of about 4,000 to 5,000 troops. They are prepared to be deployed within 18 hours for various missions such as seizing airfields and other key infrastructure, supporting the US Embassy, and conducting emergency evacuation operations. This is the moment the Mekded base, located in western Tehran, comes under attack. In Tehran, residents are reporting a powerful explosion in the city center this afternoon. You can see a large explosion occurring in Tehran, with black smoke rising. The Israeli Air Force is conducting airstrikes in western Iran, claiming about 400 government targets were hit in multiple regions. This is Shiraz. Here you can see Israeli forces attacking the area around Shiraz airport. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. Interceptor missiles are being launched to intercept Iranian missiles. There was a clash between Hezbollah and Israeli forces in Lebanon, which occurred on the ground. This is Lebanon. There was an Israeli airstrike in the Hadath area of Lebanon. This is Lebanon. This footage was taken near Mar Mikhael Church on Moawad Street. Here you can see Israeli forces focusing their attacks on Lebanon. Saudi Arabia successfully intercepted Iran's ballistic missile attack. The Israeli Air Force reportedly used 50 fighter jets and dropped 100 bombs to destroy the underground bunker of Iran's late supreme leader, Ali Khamenei. This bunker under the Iranian leadership building in Tehran served as a secure emergency war command center. Khamenei died before using this place, but high-ranking officials used it afterward. The Israeli military is focusing on attacking Iran's missile launchers. Since reducing the number of launchers decreases Iran's ability to fire missiles, they are concentrating on attacking the launchers rather than the missiles themselves. The Iranian military succeeded in destroying the US Patriot missile site that was stationed in the UAE. This is Erbil, Iraq. A drone was reportedly intercepted by local checkpoint forces with small arms over the Dagala area in Erbil province. The footage is from Iraq following an Iranian drone attack on Basra airport. In Mosul, clashes occurred between US forces and pro-Iranian militias, and a US helicopter attacked the militias. Baghdad International Airport, home to Camp Victory, was also hit by a drone attack. This is the Rumaila BP oil field in southern Iraq, where 2 drones attacked the facility and sirens are sounding. This is Jordan. Missile debris fell near Irbid, Jordan. It is still unclear whether this missile was from Iran or if it was an interceptor missile from the US or Jordan. This is Kuwait. The Kuwaiti military is desperately intercepting Iranian drones. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps announced plans for a surprise attack on its enemies. Wall Street's report last month said Iran is still trying to assassinate top Israeli officials, so security has increased. President Trump demanded Iran's unconditional surrender and claimed he found a way to lift the Strait of Hormuz blockade. The White House said the US has many weapons but will order defense contractors to boost production speed, agreeing to increase it about 4-fold. Marco Rubio, the US Secretary of State, explained to Arab countries that the United States' goal is not regime change in Iran. He also explained that negotiations themselves could hinder military objectives, and stated that this war could continue for several more weeks. The vice chairman of Hezbollah's political council told Al Jazeera that Israel is willing to implement an agreement and a ceasefire is possible. Iraq announced Iran will stop attacks on several Iraqi cities. Qatar said it has enough food and medicine reserves. The Azerbaijani National Security Service said Friday it stopped terrorist, sabotage, and intelligence operations planned by the Iranian Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. If I hear more news, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.